This is the siren, and I don't want to tell you how loud this is. We're gonna try starting up the siren on this thing. Oh my gosh, the siren is so loud. You can hear it from miles away. Oh my gosh. If the person that was driving this put the siren on max volume, he would be driving. You're driving it? But you can't reach though. You can't reach. You can't reach the pedals. Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to start up the Willys Jeep. You do not know what's wrong with it. It's been here for like months now.